Amanya gange.
He's
Nze Salongo Kasibo Joshua.
Salongo Kasibo Joshua.
Bano family yange.
These are members of his family.
Nzize olwaleero wano mu Miracle Center.
He has come today here in the Miracle Center.
Nga nzize mbeeko n'ekigambo kye ngamba abantu.
To speak a word to the congregation.
Ate nga ndina n'ekigambo kye ngamba omusumba.
He also has a word for the pastor.
Omwaka gwali gwa 2004.
In 2004,
waliwo ebintu ebyayita mu maka g'omusumba.
There was a shake-up in the pastor's family.
Nga yali wines and spirits.
Nsonga ya wine.
Wine oyo yali wange.
That wine belonged to this gentleman.
Ekindeese olwaleero.
The reason he came here today
ekisookera ddala kusaba musumba kunsonyiwa.
Is to ask for forgiveness from the pastor.
Ekyokubiri.
And secondly,
nzize kwebaza Katonda.
He's here to give thanks to God.
Kubanga andeese mu maaso g'omusumba.
God has enabled him to come before the pastor.
Ekyokusatu.
And thirdly,
njagala kubuulira nsi yonna.
He wants to inform the whole country and the world at large.
Ndi musajja musuubuzi.
He's a businessman.
Ng'abasuubuzi.
As businessmen,
nali nkukusa okudojinga omusolo.
He smuggled that wine in order to evade taxes.
Ebiseera ebyo.
At the time,
omusumba yali tanaba kuyingira nnyumba eyo.
Pastor had not yet entered into his house.
Naye yali alinawo abakozi.
But he had some workers at that construction site.
Era yali musirikale waawo.
The security person at the site
gwe twakolagana naye
is the person he dealt with
okuyisaawo wine.
To stock the wine right there.
Naye abantu bakitwala.
Many people took it as
nga balowooza nti omusumba ye yakola ekikolwa ekyo.
Thinking that wine belonged to Pastor Kayanja.
Njagala okubabuulira leero mwenna.
He's here to clear the air.
Mukimanye.
May everybody know.
Omusumba teyalinaako kakwate konna.
Pastor Kayanja had no involvement with that wine whatsoever.
Mu bulamu bwange.
In his life.
Ekintu kye nsinza okulaba.
The thing he has observed.
Mulimu abantu.
There are people
abafiira obwereere.
That die innocently.
Era n'essaawa zino.
Even at this time,
ekiseera kye twogereramu.
As we speak right now,
wayinza okubaawo ebintu ebyogerwa ku musumba.
Probably a lot is being spoken against Pastor.
Naye nga nabyo biringa ebyange we biri.
But there are same allegations as his were.
Sebo musumba.
Pastor.
Nze kwenenya mu maaso go.
He's here to seek for forgiveness before you.
Ndi musajja musuubuzi.
He's a businessman.
Saali na kikolwa kibi kyonna.
He didn't have any ill motive whatsoever.
Kyakwonoona linnya lye.
To destroy your reputation.
Ekiro ky'olwaleero.
Tonight,
mu maaso ga Mukama.
In the presence of the Lord,
nkusaba kisenyo.
He's requesting for forgiveness from you, Pastor.
Ekyokubiri.
And secondly,
nsaba obeere mukwano gwange.
He's requesting you to become his friend.
Mukama yeebazibwe.
Praise the Lord.
Again find your steadfast love amazes me. The things you do, no one can do. Jehovah, you're so amazing. I will magnify your name, your steadfast love amazes me. The things you do, no one can do. Jehovah, you're so amazing. People, just lift your hands. These are holy moments. These are holy moments. Divine moments. Jehovah, your soul. Amazing. I will magnify your name. Your steadfast love amazes me. The things you do, no one can do. Jehovah, your son, amazing. The Lord's grace
ekisa kya
is amazing. Is amazing.
kyewuunyisa